In today's video, I'll review the LG GC-L257SLRL, a massive 674 liters refrigerator with built-in water dispenser feature. Let's see if this fridge is the cold champion your kitchen needs. The LG GC-L257SLRL is a behemoth of a device. It offers a whopping 674 liters of storage space. This side-by-side design means you have easy access to both the fridge and the refrigerator sections. It makes organizing a breeze. The stainless steel finish gives it a sleek and a modern appearance, and the external water dispenser adds a touch of convenience. The LED lighting inside illuminates the entire fridge, making it easy to find what you need even in the darkest corners. Inside the fridge is thoughtfully designed with adjustable shelves, multiple crispers, and door bins to accommodate groceries of all shapes and sizes. The freezer section provides ample space for frozen foods, and the ice maker ensures you never run out of ice cubes during a hot day. Let's talk about the inbuilt water dispenser. It's a game changer. Having chilled water on demand without opening the fridge is not only convenient, but also it's energy efficient. The dispenser is easy to use and it adds a touch of luxury to your hydration routine. LG always brings out smart features to the table, and I must say this one is special. It comes equipped with smart temperature, and it allows you to adjust settings with precision. Additionally, the door alarm reminds you if the door is left open, which prevents accidental temperature fluctuations. When we speak of efficiency, this refrigerator might just be the best solution for you. It's designed with energy conservation in mind. It's not just a storage giant, it's also environmentally friendly, which helps you to save on your electricity bills. The LG GC-L257SLRL is a spacious, stylish, and feature-packed side-by-side refrigerator that can cater for the needs of even the largest households, whether you are a cooking enthusiast or you just love to keep your groceries organized. This fridge might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. And as always, thanks for tuning into our channel. Until next time, happy listening.